Alright, we're going to do an unboxing. I just went and picked this up today. Remember the big auction? I did that thing where I let you guys watch me bid on the auction. Well, I did find something a day or two later. I did find an Astra 300. Now, like I said, generally I haven't really been buying mil-serp guns. This is kind of not really a mil-serp, but it's an interesting gun. And I've wanted one for my collection for a long time. And I somewhat got it. Kind of thought I paid a little too much for it, but the 300 is the scaled down version of the Astra pistol in 380. It had these in 380 and 32, and this particular gun was ordered by Franco's government once the Civil War started, and from the serial numbers this was one of the ones from the last batch of 10,000 that was ordered for the police. And basically all it is a scaled down 1921. Let me get that here. Oh, here it is. Everyone knows this one in the 9mm Largo. Model 1921 is what's written on there, but I forget which number they call this. That's a 300. This may be the 100 or 200. But as you see, quite a difference in size. Okay. I've wanted one of these little pistols for quite some time, but like we all know, with the way things are in the surplus market, the price of these, I've seen some of these in 32 auto go for like $1,900 or something. I've seen a lot of these, they're asking $1,000 or more, close to $1,000 for it. And actually I'm quite surprised. This thing's in a lot better shape than it was, than I thought it was from the photographs. It's a little gummy, probably because it's been oiled, but it's complete. Got a grip safety on there. And I got to get it apart, check it out. But a neat little gun. So this is the unboxing. And with this piece, I'm going to start my series on collecting Spanish handguns. And you know, like I said, I had several out we were going to start. And I was going to start a video in a series today, but this came in. And it's pretty neat. But still not bad. I've seen a lot of these going for about $1,000. So, and the condition's nice. We'll take a closer look at this in a few days here, and we'll also take a look at several other Spanish pistols that I have. Alright, so hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.